When you dream big, you never imagine your world could change in a single night. Sarah poured her heart and $150,000 into a spa in the heart of Damansara Uptown. The scent of lemongrass, gentle music, and a sea of happy clients, everything seemed perfect. But on a busy Friday night, sudden footsteps echoed through her sanctuary. Enforcement officers and police entered. No warning, no explanation. "Boss Mana?" they demanded. Sarah's smile faded. Fear replaced her confidence. The officers checked every corner, measured partitions, knocked on locked doors. Her beautiful spa, judged room by room. Beauty license does not allow locked massage rooms. Do you have Ruma Urut license? Sarah, silent, confused. Next, they demanded staff certificates. Where is your therapist, SKM Level 3? Where is your management, DKM Level 4? Experience suddenly meant nothing. Only paperwork counted. Then, the hammer fell. Literally. Her R80,000 renovation smashed apart. Yellow tape sealed her dreams shut. Customers gone. Compound notice in her hand. Outside, Sarah sat alone, overwhelmed. She trusted the runner to handle everything, but nobody warned her. Experience must be certified, or it's invisible to the law. But here's the truth. You don't need years in school to qualify. With the right training, you can turn your real-world experience into government-recognized certificates. Fast. At Tim Bodycare Academy, I help spa owners like you. Our 30-day Fast Track PPT-PPA certification lets you earn SKM Level 3 and DKM Level 4 legally. Protect your business, your clients, and your dreams. Don't wait for the hammer to fall. Contact us